There is one secret for every 144 figures. There's the secret. What animal do you think this is? Cute DIMOO bag, as always. Oh, I think this is polar bear. Wait a minute, it's one of our elephant pics, actually. Almost looks like tapioca pearls in there. This one's in a larger bag. Giraffe! Oh my gosh, he's so precious. We're on a roll right now. No way! Is this a penguin one? Yes! Our streak has been incredible. They're holding hands. Penguin tango, so they're dancing. Alright, we've gotten 3 of our pics already, which is crazy awesome. We're still looking for the secret, along with the duckling leader and the sleeping bunny. Oh, it's koala. Very smooth to the touch. This might be one of the pandas. Oh yeah, I've got that touch. He's in a cute pose too. This feels on the heavy side. It's a rabbit! The colors are so pretty. Oh, look at the little feet. Big fan of the transitionary gradient. Oh wait, there's more? So precious. All we're looking for now is duckling lead and the secret. Crocodile. Almost looks like a dino suit. Oh, this is definitely a little troublemaker. The bear. His overalls are even textured. has a movable head as well. He's got that Waldo fit. Purple? Whoa! This one's called Warm Polar Bear. So much nicer in person. Holding the catch of the day. We're still looking for our duckling and the secret. 3 boxes left, 4 possibilities. It's the tiger. Two left. I'm gonna guess that this is the duckling and this is the secret. It's the red panda. Oh my gosh, he looks so angry. Ah, they're fighting over the fruits. Last box. Please. It's our duckling leader. Still super happy with this pull. Such a soft and cute color scheme.